In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and make the necessary adjustments. This task won't take long, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to disable this feature if it's not something you find useful in your browsing experience. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Whether you use it regularly or it's just an occasional option, we'll need to access the browser to make these changes. If you can't locate the Edge icon directly on your desktop or taskbar, you can search for it in your computer's list of applications. Just type Edge in the search bar and it should appear among your options. Once Edge is open, you'll see your usual homepage or wherever you've set the default to lead. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll notice 3 dots lined up vertically, which is a standard icon indicating more options or a menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a drop-down menu containing a variety of options. Now within this menu, you'll want to scroll until you find the option labeled Settings. It's usually towards the bottom portion of this drop-down. Settings is where we can adjust various parameters of the browser, including turning off specific features like the Copilot AI. Once in the Settings menu, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen. This sidebar categorizes different settings into sections. Look for the section labeled Sidebar and click on it. This is where you can control what appears in the browser's sidebar, including the Copilot feature we're aiming to turn off. In the sidebar settings, you will find a search bar. Type Copilot into this search area. This will help narrow down the options and display any settings related to Copilot. Once you see the option for Copilot, there will be a toggle switch next to Show Copilot button. This toggle switch is your target. If the switch is currently set to on, simply click it to turn it off. This will disable the Copilot button from your Edge sidebar, effectively turning off the feature. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled the Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Remember, if you ever wish to re-enable it, you can simply follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to explore other settings in Edge to customize your browsing experience even further.